the top 5 best sushi knives recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Strong Yanajiba Sushi and Slicing Knife. Outstanding craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, stunning design elements, and premium materials. Peak performance has never looked so good at this price. Incredibly razor-sharp, full tang, imported high-carbon German steel with a hand-polished edge at 16-18 degrees per side. Precisely tempered and stain-resistant. Award-winning design with satisfying heft, premium materials, and quality feel. Premium G10 Garolite handle is triple riveted with a grip that ensures comfort and maneuverability. Recommendation number 2. Kitchen Plus Home Non-Stick Sushi Knife. The 13 non-stick multi-purpose chef knife is crafted with high-quality surgical stainless steel that delivers flexibility and precise cuts with minimal effort. The thin, aerated blade design reduces sticking, creates less friction, and makes the knife lightweight and easy to control. Superior quality high-carbon stainless steel 8 razor-sharp blade provides maximum sharpness, durability, and edge retention. The blade is coated in 100% for-free, non-stick, food-grade Teflon coating. Not just coating, we took it a step further and added 10 holes to the cutting edge to further reduce friction and improve performance. Recommendation number 3. Famcube 8-inch Japanese chef knife. 100% from Japan's high-quality steel Famcube series uses 9C Re-18 MOV. A great steel for the everyday use of any chef. With an HRC of 60+/2, it will take an angled edge and hold it for long enough to help extend the life of your knife. W/general maintenance. The clad dimple allow for easy food release while slicing or dicing. This blade is great for vegetables, fruits, fish, and meats. Please refrain from cutting frozen products as this may detriment the knife's edge. Ergonomic design inspiration are designed to show the special beauty of chef's knife. Recommendation number 4. Sashimi Sushi Knife 10-inch. Filleting, slicing, and cutting delicate food products such as raw fish or sushi rolls without crushing or tearing its structure requires the use of a special super sharp knife. For these purposes, a kitchen knife with a special design was invented in Japan, the Lucky Cook 10-inch sashimi knife. It is a quality sushi knife with a long, narrow right-handed asymmetric blade which allows you to fillet a whole fish in just 1 or 2 movements. Recommendation number 5. Japan Bargain Zone 1550. Japanese Yanajiba knife, used for slicing ultra-thin slices for dishes such as sushi and sashimi. Blade length 8.1/4 inch. Overall length 12.75 inch. Wooden handle offers maximum comfort and control. Molybdenum rust-resistant steel blade, razor-sharp edge, easy to sharpen. Made in Japan with high quality,